So caring for a dog with a chronic condition such as arthritis can be really stressful for you as an owner, because you really care about your pet, and it's horrible to see them in any kind of pain or discomfort, and that can have a lot of stress on you, and that's not to be underestimated. So it's important that you think about yourself as well, and not just how to look after your dog. And the happier that you are and the less stress that you're feeling, the better you'll look after your dog. So some tips for dealing with stress: it can be really helpful to think about aspects of stress that you can manage, things that you can change, and aspects of stress that you can't change. So things that you can change are making sure that you're doing everything that you can for your dog. Okay, the fact that you're listening to this video means that you care about your dog, otherwise you wouldn't be signed up on this, would you? So you're probably already doing that, but just speaking to your vet, making sure that you're doing everything that you can. They're the aspects you can change, and then you can park them up. And then you can think about the aspects of stress that you can't change. That's the fact that your dog's always going to have arthritis, and that's always going to be hard. That's always going to be a little bit difficult for you, and it's probably going to make you feel a bit sad. It might make you feel a bit sad, and that's okay. And so we think about how can we manage those things that we can't change. So things like speaking to ourselves with kindness, speaking to ourselves the way that we'd speak to a friend. If it was a friend of yours that had a dog with arthritis that was doing everything that they could, you'd tell them that they were doing amazingly and that they were a really good owner. So speak to yourself like that. Things like meditation can be really good to sort of release stress if you're sort of feeling a bit overwhelmed by things, and that can maybe be a nice thing to do before or after a vet appointment if you find them difficult. And often other things like EFT, which is emotional freedom technique. Basically be kind to yourself, okay? Accept that you're doing the best that you can. This is me telling you that you're doing the best that you can, and to give yourselves a pat on the back, and to remember to look after yourselves as well as your dog, okay? So well done, take care.